Welcome class. Today we are going to see lesson number 8, that is algebraic expression and operation on them, page number 55 of class 7. You have already seen about the algebraic expression, like term and unlike term. Today we are going to see the types of algebraic expression. Now let us see it. Expression are named after the number of term they have. Expression with one term are called monomial. Those with two term binomial. With three term trinomial. And if they have more than three term, they are called as polynomial. Now let us see how we'll come to know which are monomial, binomial and trinomial. See that mono means one term, monomials means only one term, one term is present. For example, you have 3x, you may have 2 upon 7p, you may have only minus 8, minus 11a. These are monomial, one term. It has only one term. So only means only one. Now second, you have a binomial. Binomial is a two term. Binomials name itself indicate you that it has a two term. Now two terms. Now two terms, which are two terms? Example are 2x plus 3. When you will count it, 1, 2. Next is 4x plus 5. You may write minus 2a minus b. These are the two terms. You may also write 3m square minus n square. See 1 and 2. Now third, you have a trinomials. Trinomial means how many terms? Three terms. Three terms, that is a trinomial. For example, these are all example. Now example, you have x plus y plus z. 1, 2, 3. You may write 1 minus b plus c. 1, 2, 3. This also contain a three term. Now you may write as 3p plus q minus z. These are also a three term. So you have seen that mono, bio and trino. Now 4 is polynomials which has more than 4 term. For example, you have a square minus b plus c plus 4. The next example may be 3x square minus 8 upon 7p plus x plus y. 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 5 plus 3. In this way, you are able to classify the algebraic expression into 4 terms. Now let us go for the practice set 32. Now you have practice set 32. When you see the practice set 32, you want to just count the term present there. Now we will see it. See, you have here a practice set. See, here first is 7x. 7x only one term. So you will write it as monomial. Here two term. Binomial, here three term, trinomial, and here more than three term is polynomial. So here it is 1 and 2 term binomial, 1 term monomial, 4 and 5 that is trinomial, and this is polynomial. In this way you will be able to write it. Now let us see the brief about addition of algebraic expression. Now addition of monomials. You have 3 GAVAs and 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 3x plus 4, that is 7x. Like terms are added as we could add up thing of the same kind. Now if there is addition only, we can write the add the like term. Now I will give you or I will explain a simple example of addition of monomers. For example, now you have 3x plus 4y. In bracket you should do what? Add. Then that is 2x plus 3y. How you will write it as? 3x plus 4y plus 2x plus 3y. In this way. So this x and x, it is 3x plus 2x will be common here, plus 4y plus 3y. So you will have 3 plus 2, 5x plus is 7y. In this way you will solve it if possible. Now if there is minus sign, for example 3 minus 3y plus 4y minus 4x minus 8y. What you, in this case what you will do? You will bring a like term together. See, like this, plus 4y minus 8y. Now see, both are minus, so minus 7x. This minus sign you will give first because 8 is greater than 4, so minus 4y. Like this you will solve this sum. When you want to add the number, what you will do? First you will bring all like term together. After bringing a like term together, add it, and then only what you will do? You will write it in proper way. So next video I will explain you how to do addition horizontally and vertically. Thank you.